We're about to enter open source by Beyond the Box here at Parqal. Dito ko kukunin yung iPhone 15 Pro Max na blue titanium, Parqal. And yeah, we're here. Merong holding area dito kung saan nandito sila Jam, Tito Brian, at saka si Neil over here. Sila.
Right here, right now, for your special surprise. First 15 attendees that were here, all 15 of you are going home with a free Marshall Emerson speaker worth 8,790 pesos! Yes, it will be the perfect pair with your brand new iPhone 15. Congratulations! Okay, hold all your numbers out. Verify, okay? Numbers 1 to 15.
8 minutes na lang before we get in. Konting-konti na lang. Konting-konti na lang.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1! There you have it, my friends. Welcome to the new iPhone 15! Let's get this party going until everyone has their new phones and free
Alright, so we're here at Open Source and by Beyond the Box at Parqal. Miss Evelyn and the crew! Yay! Congratulations! Like launch! Ang dami bumili sa inyo. Your branch po. So we finally got our iPhone. It's right inside. And yan, dito yan sa Parqal. This is open source by Beyond the Box. And finally, open na yung doors for all those who lined up and pre-ordered the iPhone 15. At yeah, isa tayo doon. And kasama natin dito ngayon, isa sa mga, first, some of our friends sa media. We have
Hi guys, I am here to witness the new iPhone of Gadget Pilipinas.
Sana hindi marinig ng asawa ko. Okay, and also Mr. Brian.
Yeah.
Sir Brian, hello po sir.
Hi. Hi. Hi
At syempre
everyone.
si Jan, who is also going to buy an iPhone 15.
What are you talking about?
Usapan kasi kami, pag bibili siya, bibili rin ako.
Sino na?
Mali yata yun ah. Right sir, what's your name?
Yeah, my name is Ezer Estrada.
So what did you pre-order?
I pre-ordered iPhone 15 Pro Max Natural Titanium.
Natural titanium. I like that color. 1 terabyte? Yeah.
No, only 256 gig.
So what's the first application that you will install when you get your iPhone?
Honestly, I don't know.
Don't know yet?
Oh yes, I don't know.
At least na
I'll just explore
maybe.
the
Sorry?
I'll just explore the features.
The features first. Awesome. Alright, thank you very much and congratulations.
Yes, thank you.
I-unbox na natin to. Dapat sa bahay ko gagawin to eh. Pero we're going to unbox it. It's right over here. The seat is right there. Yeah, this is the blue titanium. Titanium kasi bakal. Fully paid. Fully paid. So yeah, no, iPhone is not yet open right there, as you can see. Dito siya. Yung tab niya dito, hindi pa nakabukas. And what we're going to do is we're going to have a quick unboxing of this para makagawa na agad tayo ng videos about the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Right? So let's go ahead and unbox it. Right? Ano siya? Hindi pa nabubuksan. Oh boy. Alright, tatago natin yan. Saka sa ilalim. Oh. Parang ganyan.
Magaan.
Okay, very nice.
Amoy mayaman.
Smell test.
Oh.
Amoy tayo.
Alright.
Amoy Shenzhen, pre. Amoy Shenzhen.
Okay. Ang gaan niya ngayon Ang gaan niya. Compared to the iPhone 14 Pro Max.
It's fair.
Much lighter.
Throw test.
Oh, no. So ito siya. Just to show you the difference between the two.
Mas manipis. Mas maliit nga siya, mas maliit.
Mas magaan. Hindi syempre feel sa video pero mas magaan.
No.
Bayala.
Oy!
Nakakagwapo.
Gwapo. Ang gaan niya, laki ng difference. Sobrang laki ng difference.
Ganda yung color.
Sa kanya kasi medyo rounded din kasi yung likod, yung harap sa kalikod. So, the difference is really huge. And as you can see it clearly, pero yan siya.
Matte na yung sides compared sa stainless steel.
Yeah, matte na. So if you're going to compare it, sobrang smudge magnet ganito
So, iba yung feel niya sa aluminum.
Iba. Saka yung nagulat talaga ako, laki ng difference. And apart from the iPhone, you get also the braided cable. Siyempre walang kasama dito na na charger as usual. But also you have the SIM ejector tool, plus the stickers, plus a few other things inside.
Ito may surprise.
Oy, may surprise!
Oh, may surprise si ate.
Thank you very much, ate! Surprise!
Surprise!
May beyond the box na.
Buti na lang, nauuhaw na siya.
Yes.
Ano na lang?
Ay, ano na. Gian. Picture na
Okay na po.
kuya.
Ayan, so... Ay, picture ba?
Yung phone tsaka yung...
Ay, kasi yung dati. Ay,
Yung pa rin yung libre.
okay, yan, may picture tayo.
Yung isa natapos din. One more. 1, 2, 3. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So now, tatapon na itong luma.
So, natako. Thank you.
Hindi, kung meron po diyang gusto, di natin kung kasya. Tingnan natin kung kasya. Para lang at least makita natin yung difference.
Ano yung case mo?
Case-tify yan. Case-tify. Isa sa mga quality kasi yung case-tify. Quality case kasi yung case-tify. Hindi to sponsored by the way.
Thank you, Nino.
So,
Ayan,
Casetify, please.
Yeah, so in a way, it kind of fits. It fits.
Ayun ba, guys?
Pero taklo ba yung ano?
Huh? Ay, no, yeah.
Show us
So,
the action button.
action button, lusot pa rin. So ito yung action button. The difference between the two, this one has an action button compared to the previous one.
Ay, 1.5. 1.5.
Bakit 1.5?
Luma na eh. 2.5.
First boot.
First.
Para pagdating ng bahay, ano na?
Tulog na.
Tulog na pagdating ng bahay. Type-C na siyempre, huwag kalimutan.
Ayan.
Oh, Type-C. Yung biggest, I think.
One of the biggest, di ba?
Init na.
Yan natin.
May heating siya.
Yan na siya, yan na.
Bagsak test.
Yan na.
Bagsak test.
Okay, bed test.
Wag. Ang gaan yan.
Ano, i-update mo muna sa bahay bago mo i-set up.
Oo nga, what I like about Beyond the Box, kasi may service center sila. Si Sir Rene, nandito, in-approach agad niya ako nung pagkabili ko ng iPhone. So, binigyan niya ako agad ng number. So, if I have any concerns, I just need to call this number. So, yun. So, if you buy it from a reputable official reseller like Beyond the Box, no, automatic yan, may kasama siya agad na support.
Yes.
Premium support.
Yes, sir.
So, yes sir, thank you very much po.
Thank you rin, sir.
Ako, yan na. Sobra, yan na. Ayan na.
Pwede natin yung vibe.
Oh my God, 5 times?
Yeah, di ba?
Right. Recommend as an investment. Pag meron kong iPhone, magagamit ko rin naman siya pang video eh.
It says here it's 76,000 pesos.
Ano yung 76,000 pesos sa mas small?